Episode 15. Yinghua is no longer useful. Hello everyone, welcome to the special lecture on mythology and science. I'm the host, the master of time and space, Dongfeng Hao. In Western mythology, Mars represents the god of war, plague, and the underworld. Its red color is associated with blood or an ominous omen, often associated with disaster. In China, Mars is known as Yinghua, brightness like fire, with confusing movements, due to its fluctuating brightness and unpredictable movements. It is also known as the star of disaster. A new interpretation of Eastern science. The Mars we observe today is only the core of Mars in the past. The entire planet was destroyed in a sudden explosion 13,000 years ago before its death. The Martian crust, cobblestones, and atmosphere were shattered. What remains today is only the remnant of the Martian core. Beyond the core, it has essentially become a pile of iron oxide. Therefore, while Mars has a thin atmosphere, it lacks water. Even if some icy meteorites impact the Martian surface, they are quickly absorbed. As a result, the current surface climate on the Martian core is exceptionally dry. The thin atmosphere is unable to support intense solar storms, resulting in frequent red dust storms. When a large number of dust storms left Mars's core atmosphere and headed toward the outer asteroid belt, these asteroids simply didn't have enough volume or gravity to retain these red sand storms. So they drifted toward Jupiter's orbit. Because Jupiter has sufficient volume, gravity, and a large atmosphere, it can pull these red sandstorms into its atmosphere, thus forming the clearly visible Great Red Spot in Jupiter's atmosphere. As we enter the 21st century, Mars, with its desolate and silent landscape, debris-strewn dunes, and unique dead core of deep brown, orange, and red, has welcomed Earthlings with a succession of expensive, specially built Martian probes launched in search of a surviving planet. But is Mars really worth exploring and developing? Does it possess the climatic and environmental conditions necessary for human habitation? The answer is no. As mentioned above, Mars is already a rusty, energy-depleted iron core, devoid of oxygen and water. Any human intervention or environmental alteration will accelerate its corrosion, eventually reducing it to a reddish-brown pile of dust or a brittle solid. This would disrupt the orbits of the two small satellites orbiting Mars. The impact of this sudden orbital disruption on Earth's future is profound. A warning to the world: Mars exploration is pointless, a waste of money and manpower, and a futile endeavor. Preview of the next episode. The mysterious Mayans turned out to be descendants of Martians.